And today we are going to talk a lot from नहीं गलत हो गया फिर से स्टार्ट करते हैं ये behind the scenes चला जाएगा. Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. And friends, today we have Aditi Malhotra with us. So first of all, I wanted to congratulate her for getting selected in TCS NQT 2021 examination. So
Thank you,
congratulations,
sir.
Aditi,
Thank you,
and
sir.
thanks a lot for coming to our platform. And definitely today, she is going to share her experience for the written and for the interview. And she has also got selected in one of the startup company. So she will also talk about that. So both companies she is going to talk. So now I'm going to give the floor to her so that she will be able to uh, give you the guidance and tell her experience. Yes, Aditi. So we'll start with the
Hi.
TCS. Yeah.
Yes, sir, sure. So, hi guys, my name is Aditi Malhotra, and first of all, my exam was scheduled on the. First of all, I'll talk about my exam first, and my exam was scheduled on 25th of October, but due to some technical issues, there was some kind of error, so I
Mhm.
couldn't give the exam on that time. But
Okay.
I also at that time I completed the aptitude part, and then the error came.
Mhm.
So, and from TCS, there was no message of rescheduling the exam. So I just lost the hope that I won't be able to join TCS.
Mhm.
But hopefully, on the 28th of October, I
Mhm.
got the mail that my exam is rescheduled on 29th of October.
Okay.
So, the exam was scheduled at the 8 a.m.
Mhm.
in the morning,
Mhm. Mhm.
and there were basically two sections, the aptitude and the coding section.
Okay, so aptitude
The
again you had to
aptitude
write.
sec Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so again
That
complete.
exam was just gone.
Okay, okay, okay. So
Yes,
complete thing.
sir.
Okay, okay, okay.
So the aptitude section was quite difficult, but with the help of your material,
Mhm.
the online study for you material, I was able to crack the aptitude part,
Mhm.
and also the reasoning and English part was quite easy as compared to the aptitude part.
Okay.
And then the MCQs in the coding part, they were
Mhm.
like, if your concepts are clear, then you
Mhm.
will be able to crack it. Like, it was not that difficult.
Okay.
And there was two questions in the coding section,
Mhm.
and the first was quite easy. It was like to calculate the prime numbers, so
Okay.
anyone can do that.
Okay.
And the next question was quite difficult, and I was not able to compile the code
Mhm.
because it was showing some errors.
Mhm.
So I just submitted it because there was less time also. So I just submitted it, and I was scared that I won't be able to crack it, like, because I wouldn't be able to compile it.
Okay, so one question here. So
And
what was the
yes, sir.
language you had used? I mean, C, Java, Python,
Sir,
for
I've
your code?
used C language.
Okay, you see now because Python,
Yes,
many
sir.
people were getting the compiler error, and in TCS exam, so many people actually got the compiler error. So I do not know on what basis and how did they checked it was a compilation error from their side. I mean their software side, or basically that was a mistake from a
Yes, sir.
student side. But many of them complained, even though their code were correct, but they were getting compilation error. Okay,
Yes,
that's
sir.
great. So you managed aptitude was little tough according to you, and then reasoning
Yes,
and
sir.
English was easy. And if your concept is clear in this coding section part, then you will be
Yes,
able
sir.
to do.
Technical section.
Yeah, and there is at least this year there was no need to uh, compile both the codes. So if one is also done, so
Yes,
you are
sir.
selected.
That was an advantage for us.
Okay, okay, great, great, great. Okay, next.
And yes, sir. So I got the selection mail that I am selected for the interview process
Mm.
on, I guess, 9th of November
Okay, okay.
in the evening time.
Hmm.
And sir, my interview was scheduled after almost a month. Like, my interview was on 12th of December. So I got
Okay.
ample time to prepare, but also my courage was like, just give me the just take the interview. Like, I was so frustrated about the time. Like, you
Hmm.
need to have patience for it.
True, true, true.
And
So,
then the interview was scheduled on 1 to 1:30. The time was that.
okay, 12th of December. Okay.
And there was Yes, sir.
Hmm.
So it was a 45 minutes interview, while all
45
my friends
minutes.
had like 15 to 20 minutes of interview. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay.
All they
Okay.
have like 15 to 20 minutes. So I was like, okay, my interview time would be like that, but it get it to 45 minutes. So it was like you need to have patience in that also.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
And there was no kind of managerial and HR round, although though interviewers were present,
Mm-hmm.
but my interview was purely technical round.
Okay. So what all question they asked you? So
So the first question was, tell me about yourself.
yeah, that is to make
And
comfortable. Yeah.
yes,
Mm-hmm.
and after that, the interview started asking about computer networks.
Mm-hmm.
Although I didn't said a word about it in my tell me about yourself, but he started asking questions on that, like
Mm-hmm.
what is networks and what is a OSI model? Do you know anything about it?
Mm-hmm.
And after that, I just told him, sir, I'm more comfortable in C and data structures. But
Mm-hmm.
he kept on asking networking questions. So I managed to answer some of them.
Mm-hmm.
And
Okay.
after that, asked me to open my notepad.
Mm-hmm.
And he gave me three programming questions.
Mm-hmm.
The first one was to write the linked list code, the insertion in the linked list,
Okay.
in inserting a node in the linked list.
Mm-hmm.
And the second question was, I don't remember, but there were three questions, and
Okay. Okay.
it was quite a time now. So,
Okay.
and the third question was writing, make a XOR gate.
Mm-hmm.
Like we have given 1 and 0 as input, and we have to write the output of it using the program logic.
Okay. Okay.
So I completed all these three programs.
Mm-hmm.
And after that, he asked me some questions from data structures,
Mm-hmm.
like difference between array and linked list,
Mm-hmm.
and what is binary tree, difference
Mm-hmm.
between binary and binary search tree, all
Okay.
those basic questions. And also from C, he asked me about pointers
Mm-hmm.
and what is the size of pointers and
Okay. Okay.
some stuff like that. All those basic questions from C and data structures.
Okay. Okay.
And
Okay.
sir, also your interviews, I like to tell that your mock interview helped me a lot,
Yeah.
because
This
at
is.
first I
Mhm.
wasn't able to even speak, but your mock interviews helped me a lot to get through
Your
it.
mock interview also we will be putting
So they
it.
were so beneficial.
Yeah, so your mock interview also we will put it,
Yes, sir,
because this
sure.
year you we conducted very less mock interview, like 5 to 6 because of the time limitations. So yes, I still so the interview what I'm
Yes,
taking
sir.
now and the interview what you had that time, so we can clearly see the difference. So even I had told
The
so
people
some,
will be shocked seeing the difference.
yeah, so some part of that definitely I'll put it. Great.
Yeah, sir, sure.
Okay, so and then okay, so you didn't have any question from HR and MR, right? Only technical round.
No, sir. But also they asked from resume, the managerial round. In
Hmm.
that, he asked, I have
But
done
you
a
told
course
you
on.
did not have, you had MR round or not? You had MR
So
round.
he asked just like one question, and
Okay,
that's
okay,
it.
okay, okay, okay,
There were no like more questions from him.
okay,
It was
okay.
like the I have done a course from AI and machine learning,
Mm-hmm.
which I have mentioned in resume.
Mm-hmm.
So he asked me, what did you learn in it, and what is the applications of AI in your home? Like, what do you use?
Mm-hmm.
Some applications of AI in my home.
Okay, okay.
So that was it.
Oh,
That's what managerial round
so what did
happened.
you answer for
But
that?
no questions from.
So artificial.
Sir, I have Alexa at home.
Oh, you have Alexa.
So I just answer Alexa. So I explained how Alexa worked, and then Google Maps. Sir, everyone use Google Maps. So
Yes,
I
yes.
answered about that.
Okay, great, great, great.
So
So this
that's
is,
it,
so
and
this is
it
presence of
lasted
mind.
for.
Even though we use it,
Yes,
but
sir.
when the question comes, that time we'll be shocked where we are using AI and ML. Yeah.
So it took me some time to remember what what applications of AI I'm using in my home, but then I remembered like these things are happened, and also Grammarly, which
Okay.
is like everyone uses Grammarly. So I also answered that.
Okay. Okay.
So
Yes. Yes.
this is that's it. And after that, the HR just asked me to show my mark sheets,
Mm-hmm.
and everyone was so friendly, everyone was laughing with me, everyone cracking jokes. It wasn't even liking it was it didn't even felt like an interview. It
Oh,
felt like we were all just talking and just they are having some asking some questions and that's it. They were so
okay.
friendly.
Okay, great.
Yes,
See,
sir.
this you have to be lucky for that to get such kind of interviews.
Yes, sir,
See,
surely.
then you enjoy answering the questions also and enjoy the interview as
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Even between the questions, they were cracking jokes. So it didn't feel like I was nervous or something. They were like so friendly. They kept my cool, and that's it.
well.
And
Oh, great.
I didn't even feel like where the 45 minutes went. It was just in a quick.
That's what I beginning asked 45 minutes because
Yes,
sometimes in 45 minutes we only don't ask what to ask. I mean, what question to ask. So
yes,
okay, and then you got. I still remember I had messaged you once you got your result or not, and I told you you'll
yes,
definitely get it. Okay, so you have got your offer letter also, right?
yes, sir. On 10th of
Jan.
January, I got the mail that I'm selected, and also the offer letter on the same day I
Okay.
get it.
Okay, that's what I am
Yes,
telling
sir.
to many students also. So if you have not got offer letter till now, do not worry, and results as well. So whole January they will be getting the result, and the next TCS
Okay.
NQT again they are going to conduct either at January end or in February. So this is one information for the other student. Okay, so you got selected to one more company that is a startup company.
Yes, sir.
So we
Yes,
would
sir.
also like to know about that because here we have only conducted interview for just 10 minutes. Yeah.
So, sir, the other startup company name is Estria IT Services,
Mhm,
and in that there were also two rounds. The first one is like written exam,
mhm.
and the second one is interview.
Okay.
And in written exam, it was purely like technical round. They actually want real coders, like, so all the questions were from data structures
Mhm.
and C language. So
Okay.
like every question, there were like 40 questions I guess,
Mhm.
and every single question was difficulty was moderate to difficult.
Okay. 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 It's
And
moderate to difficult.
it held in January only, in the starting of January.
Okay. Okay. What was the
Yes,
package they're
sir.
offering?
And so they're offering 4 lakhs.
Okay, 4 lakhs. Okay, so in
Yes,
written
sir.
exam, they had only this technical round of data structure and C.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and yeah, and then interview happened on the same day or how it is?
No, sir. After 2 days,
Mhm,
they just send the college TPU the names of selected student, and the virtual interview take place. And there was only one interview in that also, and he was also asking like all the technical part. That there wasn't any HR round, something like that.
okay, okay,
And yes, sir. All
okay.
the like all he asked me about, first of all, tell me about yourself, and after that he asked me about like uh, as I mentioned data structures and C in my tell me about yourself.
Mhm,
So he started asking about data structures, first linear and non-linear data structures, and
okay,
he
okay.
like moved to the stack part, stack and queue. How is stack implemented using the queues,
Mhm,
and how many queues are used to implement that, and how is queue implemented with stack. And also
okay.
he asked me the logic of everything. Like he was asking about sorting and searching algorithms. So
Mhm,
like he asked me about bubble sort, and he
mhm.
also wanted the logic.
Okay,
And also same happened with the merge sort, and I just on the notepad I just typed the logic,
mhm,
and he was quite happy, and that's it. And
okay.
also he asked about the pattern, like pyramid, triangle,
Mhm.
star pattern
A star
questions, the
pattern.
pyramid
Okay.
questions.
Mhm.
Yes, sir. He
Okay.
also asked the logic about that.
Okay.
So it
S-
was basically like a coding interview.
Okay.
Everything happened like code, code, code.
Okay. So if I summarize, everything from your interview, which will help other student, then what I could make out,
Yes,
either
sir.
it is TCS or any other examination. So, or irrespective of which stream you are. So, if you are good at C and data structure, then you
Yes,
have to
sir.
worry very little. So, C and data structure you have to be good, and then
Yes,
some
sir.
OOPS concept
Definitely.
of from C and C++ and Java, if you know, then that should be definitely better than. Okay.
Yes,
Uh,
sir.
okay, Aditi. So thanks a lot, Aditi, for coming to our platform and definitely, guiding a student through your experiences. So all the best for your future, and definitely we will be in contact. And definitely you will be also helping a student throughout their careers.
Yes, sir.
So thank you once again.
Thank you so much, sir.